Hello, my friends. I'm going to do a pour today similar to this one. I will link the video above if you didn't see it, but in totally different colors. However, I did the most stupid thing as it was drying. It was nearly dry, probably 3 inches from the edges. It was just a little wet in the middle, and I put it underneath a Rubbermaid shelf that I stack things on. It just cleared the shelf, and then I forgot about it, and I put something on the bottom shelf, and it dug into the wet center and did this horrible thing to it. So stupid, because I'm really unhappy because it was a cool looking pour. Maybe I can kind of sand it off and fix it, but, and I will try to. But anyway, I won't be doing that again. But I am using brand new colors, and I'm going to apply it the same way. Basically, it was just jiggle pour 4 times and then spread out. So, let's see if I can get a similar look in these wonderful warm colors. I've got Master's Touch Yellow Deep, Master's Touch Permanent Red, Creative Inspirations Vermillion, and then I mixed white with just a little bit of the Yellow Deep for a light value. And those are my colors. Here we go. I'm using my Polycrylic mix, same as I did with that one. That was made with really inexpensive paints. These are a little better quality. So, and I wasn't unhappy with the results I got from that, but hopefully this will work as well. And here we go. On the first pass through, I'm kind of dragging the cup along the surface. And now, on the next one, of course, I won't. It looks like those candles, those ribbon candles that you see, or used to see. I don't know if they're still a thing. I wonder if I have more. This time I'm going 5 rounds. Or 6. Am I going again? I have more. Okay. Wow, that's pretty wild. I'd have a little paint left over if I need for flow extender. But let me just tilt it back and forth a little bit. Get started here. I love that part right there. This is very similar to that, so I'm not worried about it, about losing it. Oh, look at that. Love it. So let that roll over itself. Okay, I am going to pour out the rest of my paint over here. I'm going to quickly add it to the cup and stir it all together, all that I have left over. Okay, now pour that out as a flow extender. I really want to save that area. When I'm done tilting here, I'm going to compare the two and see how similar they look in design. Oh, how fun. I like it. Easy peasy, and I think it's quite interesting to look at. I've got coverage all around. All the edges are covered. Well, I have a little gap here, but as it dries, it might flow over a little bit, but probably not much, actually, with the polycrylic mix. It's going to stay put. I'll just paint those sides in with a solid color when it's all dry. Let me get the other one. And let's look at how it compares. Pretty similar. Got this wonderful area. It's kind of central with the curly cues around it. I really liked this section. I don't know how that happened with the last one. But again, on this one, I only went back and forth 4 times. This was about 6, I think. 6 or even 7. I think that might have been the 7th. Right. But anyway, it's very happy. I like the warm colors. We need those in this winter time. So I will be careful about letting this one dry properly. And I'll show you the dried results in a future video. Oh, let me bring you in for a closer look. As I bring you in closer, the colors get a little washed out. My camera does something, but it's really a vivid orange, red, and a deep yellow. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I hope you like it too. Well, you know what? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Just don't care for... I'm going to add some little swirls just in a little bit. Little sections. I know. I said I was done, and then I'm not. I'm just going to do a couple. I know. I wish I hadn't done that. I have to do one more. That's it. I won't do any more. I wish I hadn't done the swirls. Oh, well. Because I don't want to disturb this. I don't want to make them any bigger. And they're not doing much. So anyway, they're not all good decisions. Thanks for watching, my friends. See you next time.